Hey everyone, it's Adam with Sunflower Woodworking. Uh, wow. Can't wait till October. So if you haven't registered yet or said that you're going to come and join us for our first Facebook Live, we got some awesome news to share with you guys. But I'm here in the shop today kind of getting prepared for that awesome news. So to the untrained eye, this looks like a big mess of metal and wood. To the trained eye, it is glue up season. Glue everywhere. We got some big chunks of wood over here. They're going to be turned into something. Some slabs coming over here. We've got stuff. This stuff's got to go out for another purpose. We got all kinds of wood stacked everywhere, and we are just beginning. So the next few weeks are going to be intense. They're going to be raw, and we're going to be building and building and building. So please join us October 19th for some awesome news. But until then, we're probably not going to have a whole lot of videos going out on our channels because we are going to be face down in production here, mass producing all kinds of stuff. But if we could squeeze one out here or there, we definitely will. But looking forward to October. So hope to see you there. Take care. God bless.